How to create awesome Genmojis on iPhone. Before creating Genmojis, first of all, you need to make sure that you have iOS 18 updated because this feature is only available in your iOS 18. Once you have updated your device into iOS 18, then you can simply use this Genmojis. For that, choose any platform where you want to create Genmojis. Now you have to simply describe about your emoji, what you want. For now, I'm just typing horse with flower. Now, if you have iOS 18, then there you will see create option. And if you hit on that, then this emoji will be created automatically. So in this way, you can create awesome Genmojis, but for that, you have to update version of iOS 18. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.